What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be all about how I achieve my heatless wave minus the blow drying process of this. But however, you do not have to use the blow drying method to achieve a blowout, so this style could be a completely heatless free hairstyle if you do choose to do so. However, I just like the quickness of blow dry, and I am using low heat, and pretty much I'm just sectioning off my hair into 4 sections as I go along in the blow drying process. Alrighty, so here are the Flexirods I'm using. They are the orange ones. Not sure of the width of these, but they're kind of a chunky size. I will be doing chunky sections within my sections, and I'm only using a total of 12 Flexirods, 3 in each section. And here's the main product I'm using. My handy dandy curl activator cream is just good for definition, and I'm only using a small amount on each section just so my hair doesn't become stiff in the end. So pretty much I just shape the Flexirod into a horseshoe shape, and I place it on top of the section with the hair in the middle, and then I separate the section into 2 even pieces. I clamp one piece out of the way to kind of hold the horseshoe shaped Flexirod in place, and I just take the other section and I wrap it tightly around until I get to the end of my hair, and then I kind of enclose the end of my hair with the end of the Flexirod by bending it in. And then I do the same for the next piece of hair of that section, just wrapping it around. I really don't have a particular method when I'm wrapping. And then I just enclose the end of my hair with the end of the Flexirod, and I kind of squeeze them together to create a tightness. And voila, I'm just gonna do that for the remainder of my hair. Alright, so this is my last Flexirod. I'm just about to place my bonnet on and go to sleep. I recorded this around 12 at night, and I unraveled my Flexirods around 7 p.m. the next day. So pretty much my method of unraveling is you just unbend the ends and just roll out the Flexirod in the opposite direction of which I rolled the hair on. And then I just kind of pull on my hair just a little bit to see the actual curl. And again, I'm just unbending the ends and rolling the Flexirod out of my hair. So here's my hair with no separation, and to separate I'm just going to take the oil of my choice, which is a cream of nature oil, and I'm just going to do some minimal separating. This hairstyle really doesn't need much separating. I already have pretty chunky sections, and I'm just going to separate to my liking. And that is pretty much the style. So let's cue the slow-mos. Oh yeah, and I pick out my hair just a little bit. I like volume. So if you guys liked this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my latest upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.